Welcome to Mishna study, Masechet Terumot Perek Yud Aleph Mishnah Gimal. Over here in this Mishnah, we're going to discuss some unique halachot regarding wine and oil. So, opening up with laws of Terumah. En osim temarim devash, velo tapuchim yain, velo sitvaniot chometz, ush'ar kol haperot en meshanin otam b'riyatan, but Terumah u'ma'aser shani, ella zetim va'anavim bilvad. Right, so you're not allowed to go ahead and take dates and turn them into honey, right? The byproduct, the liquid of the fruit of the date is honey. And nor are you allowed to take apples, turn them into wine, nor sitvaniot, which we saw in last Mishnah, was the later grapes, and go ahead and turn them into vinegar, and all other fruits. You're not allowed to change them from their original state, the original fruit state. When it's ma'asir truma or ma'asir sheni, not allowed to change them. Rather, you need to bring them, give them as fruits as truma, or take them to Yerushalayim as fruits, right? The only ones you're allowed to turn into a liquid are olives and grapes. Olives you're allowed to turn into olive oil, grapes you're allowed to turn into wine, right? Only those two. Additionally, right, or even before so, why is this? Right? Why is this the case? So when it comes to oil and wine, we have the specific the pasuk over here in Bemidbar, kol chaylev yitzhar v'kol chaylev tirosh v'dagan. Right? So here it's talking about you see you turn yitzhar. Yitzhar is the wine. Yitzhar is the oil, and tirosh is the wine. And you see over here that you're allowed to go ahead and bring these wine and oil as the byproduct of the original fruit, right? And it's called reshit, right? Reshit is the truma. Reshitam asher yitenu la'Hashem. So we are allowed to go ahead and bring those as truma. Now ve'en sofkim et ha'arba'im mishum orla ela yotze min hazetim u'min ha'anavim, right? Additionally, right, we know you're not allowed to, for someone that takes orla, and he goes ahead and he squeezes that into juice, those fruits into juice. So he's not lokem malkut min Torah, right? The only time he would actually get malkut for eating orla, for eating something within the first 3 years, if he ate the fruit itself, or if he drank oil or wine, right? Again, or specific to oil or wine, where you get malkut for those. Now, what about bikurim? Bikurim mashkin ela yosim nazatim min ha'aravim. Nor are you allowed to go ahead and bring bikurim, right, up to Yerushalayim, the first fruits, as a liquid. Not allowed to do so unless it's from one or two, either olive oil or wine. Now, this opinion is the opinion of Rabbi Yehuda, right? Rabbi Yehuda learns bikurim from terumah, right? This is actually the Gemara Masechet Chulin. It says, "Mani Rabbi Yehudahi demar don mina ve'oke be'atra ve'gamar lebikurim terumah." Right? So he learns the laws of bikurim from terumah. And over here, Harambam says, "V'halacha ki Rabbi Yehuda." Also, if you look in the Mishnah Torah, he's posek like Rabbi Yehuda. What's interesting is in the first edition, in the Mahadura Kama, he says, "En halacha ki Rabbi Yehuda." Right, and over there, people are really perplexed. The case of Mishnah, even he actually speaks about Rambam mentioned en halacha ki Rabbi Yehuda in the Pirush Mishnah. And we see in the Mishnah Torah he's posek like Rabbi Yehuda, but over here he changed it. You see in the later edition to say halacha is like Rabbi Yehuda according to this Mishnah. And the Mishnah continues, ve'en mitameh mishum mashke ela yotzeh min hazetim min ha'anavim. Right, the only liquid that becomes tameh, right, is one that's derived from olives and from grapes, right? If you look at the seven mashkim that we mentioned in last Mishnah, right? You have the water, the dew, the blood, the milk, the honey, right? Which is bee honey. It does not date honey, and you have the olive oil and the wine. So the olive oil and the wine are the only two liquids that come from fruits. Also, you're not allowed to go ahead and bring anything on the mizbeach unless it comes from wine and wine and olive oil, right? Those are the two. We know by the menachot you're allowed to bring shemen, other korbanot. When it comes to nesachim, you're allowed to bring wine. Those are really the only two fruits, right, that you're able to go ahead and turn into liquid and bring them on the mizbeach.